Imagine if factories and farms could think and respond almost like people, changing how things are made, grown, and delivered to us every day. That's what's happening across Europe right now. Imagine a German car company using smart computers to design cars just for you in record time. Picture French factories where machines have digital twins, virtual versions that help predict hiccups before they happen, keeping everything running smoothly. Or think about how UK engineers track every single airplane part from creation to takeoff, keeping flights safer and more reliable. In Italy, teams work together on huge projects, designing everything from electric bikes to wind turbines, all on the same digital platform. Now, let's step inside a Spanish wind farm. Here, sensors and clever AI spot trouble in turbines long before it's a problem, keeping green energy flowing with fewer surprises. In Dutch factories, robots and eye-like cameras team up to speed up production, cutting waste while meeting our changing needs. Even shopping feels smarter in the Nordic countries, where AI helps stores change shelves and offer you perfect recommendations. But it's not just factories. Fields are changing too. With Farmonaut, farmers have their own high-tech helpers. Using satellites and AI, Farmonaut can spot crop stress early, give advice on watering, fertilizers, or pests, and even track the carbon footprint and history of every field. This means more food, less waste, and a healthier planet. Thanks to digital engineering and companies like Farmonaut, Europe's industries and farms are transforming, making life safer, smarter, and more personal for everyone.